Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll break down how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials in a super simple way. Whether you're struggling with these concepts or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this lesson, you'll be solving polynomial problems with confidence. So grab your notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression that consists of variables such as x, coefficients which are real or complex numbers, exponents which must be non-negative integers, combined using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. One important rule: polynomials do not include division by variables or negative exponents. For example, the expression 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is a polynomial. General form of a polynomial. A polynomial in one variable x is written as p of x equals a sub n times x to the power of n plus a sub n minus 1 times x to the power of n minus 1 plus a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0, where a sub n minus 1, up to a sub 1 and a sub 0 are the coefficients. X is the variable, n is a non-negative integer representing the degree of the polynomial, which is the highest exponent. Types of polynomials based on the number of terms. 1. Monomial, a polynomial with one term. Example: negative 7x or 3x cubed. Second binomial, a polynomial with two terms. Example: x squared minus 5x. Third trinomial, a polynomial with three terms. Example: x squared plus 4, x minus 1. If a polynomial has more than three terms, we simply call it a polynomial. Ordering polynomial terms. Polynomials are usually written in standard form, meaning terms are arranged in decreasing order of exponents. For example, instead of writing negative 4x squared plus x cubed plus 2x minus 1, we rewrite it as x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now you understand what polynomials are, how they are structured, and how we classify them. In the next, we will learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials. So, the operations on polynomials. First addition of polynomials. To add polynomials, follow these steps. 1. Align like terms. These are terms that have the same variable and exponent. 2. Combine their coefficients by adding them. Example, let's add the polynomials 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. Step 1. Align the like terms 3x squared plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 3x plus negative 2 plus 7. Step 2. Add the coefficients 7x squared plus 2x plus 5. So the sum of these polynomials is 7x squared plus 2x plus 5. Subtraction of polynomials. To subtract polynomials, follow these steps. Distribute the negative sign to every term in the second polynomial. Align like terms and subtract their coefficients. Example, let's subtract 6x squared plus 4x minus 3 minus 2, x squared minus 5x plus 8. Step 1. Distribute the negative sign. 6x squared plus 4, x minus 3 minus 2, x squared plus 5, x minus 8. Step 2. Align like terms. 6x squared minus 2, x squared, plus 4x plus 5x plus negative 3 minus 8. Step 3. Subtract the coefficients. 4x squared plus 9, x minus 11. So the result of this subtraction is 4x squared plus 9, x minus 11. Multiplication of polynomials. To multiply polynomials, follow these steps. 1. Use the distributive property to multiply each term. 2. Multiply coefficients and add exponents of the same variable. Combine like terms to simplify the expression. Example, multiplying a monomial by a polynomial multiply 3x by 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Using the distributive property, 3x times 2x squared plus 3x times negative 5x plus 3x times 4, which simplifies to 6x cubed minus 15, x squared plus 12x, multiplying two binomials. The FOIL method. The FOIL method helps us multiply two binomials by following four steps. First, multiply the first terms. Outer, multiply the outer terms. Inner, multiply the inner terms. Last, multiply the last terms. Example, multiply x plus 3 by x minus 5. Using FOIL. 1. First, x times x equals x squared. 2. Outer, x times negative 5 equals negative 5x. Inner, 3 times x equals 3x4. Last, 3 times negative 5 equals negative 15. Now, combine like terms. X squared minus 2, x minus 15. So the product of x plus 3 and x minus 5 is x squared minus 2, x minus 15. Now you know how to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials using different methods. These operations are essential for it. Let's explore division of polynomials. We will learn how to divide polynomials using different methods. Just like how we divide numbers in arithmetic, polynomials can also be divided, but with a few extra steps. There are two main methods for dividing polynomials. 1. Dividing a polynomial by a monomial. 2. Polynomial long division, which is similar to long division with numbers. Let's go through both methods step by step. Dividing a polynomial by a monomial. When dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we split the expression into separate fractions and divide each term individually. Example: divide 6x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x by 3x. We follow these steps. Step 1. Write the expression as separate terms. We divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial separately. 6x cubed divided by 3x minus 9x squared divided by 3x plus 12x divided by 3x. Step 2. Divide each term. 6x cubed divided by 3x equals 2x squared. 9x squared divided by 3x equals 3x. 12x divided by 3x equals 4. Final answer: 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. So when dividing 6x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x by 3x, the quotient is 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Polynomial long division. Now let's learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial using long division. This method is useful when the divisor is not a monomial. Example: divide 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 4 by x minus 1. We will follow these steps. Step 1. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. The first term in the dividend is 2x cubed, and the first term in the divisor is x. 2x cubed divided by x equals 2x squared. Write 2x squared as the first term of the quotient. Step 2. Multiply and subtract. Multiply 2x squared by x minus 1. 2x squared times x equals 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 1 equals negative 2x squared. Subtract 2x cubed plus 2x squared. 3x squared minus x minus 4 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared. This simplifies to 5x squared minus x minus 4. Step 3. Divide the next term. The first term in the new expression is 5x squared. 5x squared divided by x equals 5x. Write plus 5x in the quotient. Step 4. Multiply and subtract. Multiply 5x by x minus 1. 5x times x equals 5x squared. 5x times negative 1 equals negative 5x. Subtract 5x squared minus x minus 4 minus 5x squared minus 5x. This simplifies to 4x minus 4. Step 5, one more step. Divide 4x by x on which gives 4. Write plus 4 in the quotient. Step 6, multiply and subtract. Multiply 4 by x minus 1. 4 times x equals 4x. 4 times negative 1 equals negative 4. Subtract 4x minus 4 minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. Since the remainder is 0, we stop here. Final answer: 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. So when dividing 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 4 by x minus 1, the quotient is 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. And that's it for today's lesson on polynomials. We covered how to add and subtract polynomials by combining like terms, how to multiply polynomials using the distributive property and the FOIL method, how to divide polynomials using long division and monomial division. Polynomials are a fundamental part of algebra, and mastering these operations will help you solve more complex equations with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video to let me know you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have any questions or need more explanations. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.